Come here, buddy.
Jackson, come here.
Oh.
Can you pull yourself up?
You got it.
There you go. Go get
Hi. Crash.
Go get mommy.
Hi, buddy. Fletcher. Hey, Fletcher. Fletcher. You want help turn it around? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Jackson, come here.
Come tell Fletcher happy birthday.
Come over.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Too close. I can't see you all.
Okay. Let's turn Fletcher around.
Can you turn? Oh. There he goes. Don't push him. Don't push him. Step back, Jackson.
Come here. Let's turn you this way.
Jackson, you're in the way, sweetie.
Can you make a good turn?
Jackson.
Here, can you walk to you? Turn around.
Go get Big Brother.
Go get him. Oh, you go too fast. Okay, get you back at mommy.
Come get
Right in
me.
the box.
Daddy, I'm gonna try to do a hint.
You're
No, not
doing a
yet.
good practice. This is good walking practice.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Big Brother's coming to get you.
Wow! I got you.
Dada. Can you say ma ma ma?
Nope.
No?
Yeah, stick that tongue out. Okay.